Well, hello there everyone and welcome to Time to Cook. I'm Chef Christy. So today I am making an absolutely delicious whipped feta. That's right, whipped feta. Feta is one of my all-time favorite cheeses and I'm telling you, this is so delicious. It is perfect for either a dip or a spread. You can use it for sweet or savory. It's addictive, people. I'm telling you, you're going to love it. So let me show you how to make it. It's super easy. It only uses 3 ingredients. You can't beat that. You will need 8 ounces of feta cheese and 4 ounces of a cream cheese. Now both of them have been sitting out at room temperature, which will make them a lot easier to blend. I also have some roasted garlic here. I have a shorts video that will be coming out soon of just how to roast your garlic. But you could also use raw garlic if you wanted to. This is optional. You do not have to have the garlic, but trust me, this adds some delicious flavor. So I'm just going to crumble this feta into my food processor. And also add my cream cheese. All right, so I am going to scrape down the sides. But you want to let this blend until it is nice and smooth and creamy. All right, this is looking good. So now I'm going to add some of this roasted garlic. Okay guys, that is seriously all there is to it. Oh my creamy, delicious whipped feta. So the whipped feta is all done, and now I want to show you 2 delicious ways that you can eat it. One is savory and one is sweet. Now for the savory, I have added some roasted tomatoes. Let me show you how I made those. I'm adding 2 cloves of garlic to 1 cup of grape tomatoes that I have sliced in half. Then I'm adding a pinch of salt and black pepper and a little bit of dried basil and about a tablespoon of olive oil, and stir it all together. Pour onto a baking sheet and bake in a 400-degree oven for 20 to 30 minutes, and voila. And I have also drizzled some balsamic reduction, and I have a shorts video coming out really soon on just how to make balsamic reduction. And then for my sweet, I have just added some chopped almonds and drizzled some honey. You could also eat this with pita chips or put it on any sandwich. A grilled cheese sandwich would be phenomenal. But now it is time for me to sample these toasts. Here goes. I'm not sure if there's words to describe how good this is. That feta is salty. You have the roasted garlic coming through. It's creamy, but then you have the sweet and tangy tomatoes with that balsamic glaze. This would make a wonderful appetizer, snack, lunch. But I can't pass up the sweet. I know that you may have been skeptical to add honey on this feta since it has garlic, but I'm telling you, that is amazing. There's nothing better than sweet and salty. Well, I hope that you give this whipped feta a try. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon with more recipes.